Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. In IELTS listening section 2, sometimes students lose 2 to 3 marks, and these 2 to 3 right answers can get you your desired band score. In this video, I'm going to give you in-depth tips on IELTS listening part 2, especially when you have to choose 2 options out of 5 and about sentence completion. So please watch this video till the end. You will learn many new things. Let's take a start. Okay, now we move on to part 2 of your IELTS listening. It's going to be a little more difficult, but you need to learn how to manage this. The question type is choose 2 letters. This is very common in section 2. IELTS listening section 2, there can be 2 or 4 questions where out of 5 you have to choose 2 letters. Okay, before we move on, I would like to give you some tips about it. The first thing is you need to read the topic or the question. What is the question here? Which 2 facilities at the leisure club have recently been improved? Now, have recently been improved. Which tense is it? Present perfect. Exactly. Now, in the audio, you will focus present perfect tense. If they tell you something that they did last year, for that they will use past tense. That will not be your answer. If they say something we will do next year, that is future, and even that is not your answer. Okay, so you will only focus the things that they have done recently, and for recent changes they are going to use present perfect tense. Now, there are 5 options, and with each option, can you see they have written the? The first thing is just cross all the's here. You're not going to read, never read it like A, the gym, B, the tracks, C, the indoor pool. You don't have that much time. You will read it like gym, tracks, indoor pool, outdoor pool, sports training for children. Done? Just like that. Okay, now listen. They will talk about all these options one by one, but they will not talk about them in one order. It's not that they start with gym, then they move on to tracks, then they go on to indoor pool. They will start randomly. So the first target is you need to put your pencil about the option or on the option they are discussing. Is that clear? Number 1. Number 2, then you have to decide, is this the right option or this is just the trap? If it is a trap, you can cross it. Put a little cross. If that is the right answer, you can take it. If you are nervous, you can put a question mark. At the end, you can play the guess game and you can find it out. Okay? And by the way, there are 2 pools here, indoor pool and outdoor pool. Again, keep the question in mind. Facilities at the leisure club have recently been improved. Okay? Now I play the audio and you got to find them.
On behalf of LP Clubs, I'd like to welcome you all here today. My name's Sandy Fisher and I'm one of the fitness managers here. Before we start our tour of the club, I'll just run through some basic information about the facilities we have here, including recent improvements, and explain the types of membership available. Our greatest asset is probably our swimming pool, which at 25 metres isn't Olympic-sized, but now we've expanded it to 8 lanes, it's much wider. This means there are rarely more than a couple of people at a time in each lane. Unfortunately, there isn't space for an outdoor pool here, but the glass roof on the swimming pool is partly retractable, which means you can enjoy something of the open-air experience on warmer days. Our recently refurbished fitness suite has all the latest exercise equipment, including 10 new running machines and a wide range of weight training machines. Each member is given full training in how to operate the equipment, and there is always a trainer on duty to offer help and advice. Although we do have adult-only times after 6 and at certain times at weekends, children are well catered for. Older children continue to benefit from a wide range of tuition, anything from trampolining to yoga.
Okay, so well done, very good. They tried to trap you about E also, okay, but there was the children timing and all that. So the right answer is A and C. First they spoke about C. They started with pool and then they confused you with outdoor pool and indoor pool. And they said we don't have outdoor pool, but this indoor pool has a glass roof that is retractable and you can have a feeling of that. So from there you understood it's indoor pool. And then for gym they use the word fitness suite. Fitness suite means actually gym. So the right answer is C and A. Clear? Yes, you are right. When out of 5 you have to select 2 or out of 6 you have to select 3, then in that case you can write your answer in any order like AC or CA. Questions are 11 and 12. On your answer sheet you can write 11C, 12A or 11A, 12C. Both ways it's right. You don't have the print one, Yasin? Okay, now please come to page number 13. It's only one page, that is, okay, it's gonna bring you one page then. Page number 13, please. Questions 13 to 20. Complete the notes below. Again, note completion. No more than 2 words for each answer. Now, maximum limit is 2 words. Joining the leisure club. Just imagine leisure club. Leisure club is just like this Royal Palm Club. It's a sort of a leisure club. You come and play golf, swimming and fitness and all that. So joining the leisure club. Now you can well imagine they will ask you about your name, details, anything like that. A personal assessment. So there are 2 headings. One is personal assessment and second is types of membership. In personal assessment, question number 13 says, new members should describe any. So for new members, they can use the word, when you come to join us, you must inform us if you have any. The word any is important here. Okay, they will not use the word new members like directly like this. Say, whenever you come to join us, in case you are not a member and you wish to join, in that case, you must inform us about any, and answer will come after any, right? Let's just do it.
One thing all our members appreciate about us is that we take very good care of them. This starts on day 1 with your personal assessment. You are asked to fill in a questionnaire giving details of any health problems. One of our personal trainers will then go through this with you.
Good. Giving details. Now for details, they use the word describe any. Giving details of any health problems. The way I'm guiding you, you must guide yourselves in actual tests. Right? And whenever you practice, you must guide yourselves. जैसे मैंने आपको बताया, I told you, you got to just teach yourself that now I'm going to look for this and that. Question number 14. The dash will be explained to you before you use the equipment. Okay, guidelines, instructions or anything. Dash will be explained to you before you use the equipment. So for will, they can use the word going to, will and all that. Now please listen.
The trainer will then take you through the safety rules for using the equipment in the fitness suite. During your next exercise session, a personal trainer will work with you to make sure you understand these. It's very important to do this because we really do want to avoid having any sports injuries. There's a lot more to looking after yourself than simply lifting weights.
Okay, what's the answer? Yes, and the answer came first and then they explained these and all that. Yeah? नहीं मैं नहीं कर सकता. कर देता हूँ. All right, listen to it again.
The trainer will then take you through the safety rules for using the equipment in
The trainer will then take you through the safety rules for using the equipment. So safety rules will be explained. Clear? Safety rules. No, the answer is safety rules. I mean, if you write the trainer will be explained, that means trainer को explain किया जाएगा. That doesn't make any sense. Listen again.
The trainer will then take you through the safety rules for using the equipment in the fitness suite.
For using the equipment in the fitness suite. So safety rules will be the answer. Question number 15. You will be given a 6-week dash. Now listen carefully. They will use the word 6 week. For example, if the answer is IELTS course, right? So they will talk like that. You will be able to attend IELTS course and this course will teach you a lot. This will continue for 6 weeks. What is the answer? IELTS course. So sometimes they speak about one thing and then later on they connect whatever they want to with that. Okay, so please listen carefully. Now answer will not come with 6 weeks. It may come first and then they will say this will continue for 6 weeks, like that.
At the end of the personal assessment, the trainer will draw up a plan outlining what you should try to achieve within a 6-week period. This will then be reviewed at the end of the 6 weeks.
Exactly, that's right. Listen again.
At the end of the personal assessment, the trainer will draw up a plan outlining what you should try to achieve within a 6-week period. This will then be reviewed at the end of the 6 weeks.
This will then be reviewed. This means plan. This is what we call referencing and there is so much referencing there. Okay, next we've got question number 16. Types of membership. There is a compulsory £90 dash fee. Dash fee means type of fee. Okay, there is a compulsory £90 dash fee for members. So dash fee means it's the type of fee. They will tell us in the audio about it.
Now, I'll just quickly run through the types of membership we have available. All members must pay a joining fee of £90 in addition to the rates for the monthly membership fees.
Exactly, joining fee. Alright, very good. Question number 17. Gold members are given dash to all the LP clubs. Gold members are given dash to all the LP clubs. Now LP is that leisure club they have, right? So gold members are given dash. There is some sort of facility that gold members are given. What that is, you got to find it. For given, they can use the word awarded. Or if you have gold membership, you are entitled, awarded and all that.
Gold membership entitles you to free entry at all LP clubs. There are now LP clubs in all major cities and towns, so if you travel a lot, this will be a great advantage.
Exactly. See that they use the word entitles. Gold membership entitles free entry. So free entry will be the answer. Okay, question number 18. Premier members are given priority during dash hours. Now dash hours means working hours or any other. It's the type of time duration, dash hours. Okay, like the mobile companies use the word dash hours. What is the word that they use? With hours, mobile companies or sometimes some restaurants, they have the busy time. So that busy time is called peak hours. That is the answer, by the way. So if you have some general understanding of the things, you can easily find the answer. Okay, now let's move on with this.
Premier membership is for professional people whose work commitments make it difficult for them to use the club during the day. And so LP gives booking preferences to Premier members at peak times. This means you'll find it easier to book the sessions at times that suit you.
Peak. And for hours, what is the word that they use? Time. Exactly. Hours and time. Okay, let's move on. Question number 19. Premier members can bring some dash every month. From some, we understand the answer should be plural. Premier members can bring some dash every month. For every month, they can use the word monthly, on the monthly basis. And for bring, they can say they can bring along, or dash can come with them. Maybe, yeah, that's right. Let's move on.
Premier membership is for individuals only, but you'll be sent passes for guests every month. The monthly fee is £65.
You will be sent passes for guests every month. Exactly, guests will be the answer. Listen to it again.
Premier membership is for individuals only, but you'll be sent passes for guests every month.
Okay,
The
so
monthly fee is £65.
now for bring some dash every month, they said you will be sent passes for guests every month. So guest will be the answer. Question number 20. Members should always take their dash with them. There is something the members should always take. Or maybe, yeah, why not? It can be something like identity card, ID card, or membership card, or anything like that. All right, listen. See, now you are understanding because you are visualizing health club and facilities and all that. So,
You don't have to have any special clothes or equipment when you visit the club. We provide robes and hair dryers in the changing rooms, but it's very important to remember your photocard because you won't be able to get in without it. For people who aren't working during the
it is
day,
very important to bring your photo card. So, should always and very important to photo card will be the answer. Welcome back. So guys, thank you very much. Now, if you practice well, especially in section 2 or part 2, definitely these tips are going to be quite useful for you. I also teach IELTS online and on campus in Lahore on campus and online all over the world. If you wish to join my online or on campus classes, you can contact me for that. Asad Yaqub truly wishes you best of luck. Take good care of yourselves. Allah Hafiz.